Best outdoor waterproof LED strip lights provide vibrant, weather-resistant illumination, enhancing safety, ambience, and visibility in all outdoor conditions. Before purchasing the best Ethernet cables for gaming, you should consider 3 key factors. Factors to consider: 1. Strip size. 2. Waterproof rating. 3. App control. In today's video, we're showcasing the top 5 best outdoor waterproof LED strip lights to help you understand everything you need to know in a simple and clear way, making it easier for you to make the right choice. If you want to know the latest prices and more details about the products mentioned in this video, check the links in the description box below. So, let's get started. Starting with our first product, Day Better LED Light Strips Kit. This 32.8 feet LED strip light set, split into two 16.4 foot rolls, offers both versatility and durability for indoor and outdoor use. Made with a waterproof resin coating, it's ideal for decorating not only living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and ceilings but also outdoor spaces like patios or balconies. The strong adhesive backing makes installation effortless on surfaces such as walls, cabinets, TVs, desks, and stairs. The included 44-key infrared remote makes customizing your lighting simple, letting you switch between RGB, white, and 16 vibrant colors with adjustable brightness. Whether you're creating a cozy ambience, party atmosphere, or accent lighting, the variety of color and brightness options offers flexibility for any setting. These LED strips are a great value for those seeking long, reliable lighting solutions with waterproof capabilities and easy-to-use controls. It's a smart choice for both creative decoration and functional lighting enhancements. Now, our second product is Head & Shine 100 feet outdoor LED strip lights. The Head & Shine 100-foot waterproof LED strip lights offer an excellent solution for vibrant outdoor lighting. Designed with a durable silicone coating rated IP67, these LED strips are fully waterproof, perfect for pools, gardens, porches, and patios. Unlike adhesive strips, this model uses 50 included mounting clips, ensuring a secure fit even in wet or uneven environments. These RGB lights support multiple color-changing modes, from 3-color and 7-color jumps to single-color dimming. You can control them easily using the included 44-key remote or via a smartphone app. The app also offers music sync, which lets your lights pulse to the beat, and a convenient timer function, 0.5H to 4H, for scheduled lighting control. Installation is simple, just clip them in place or submerge them for decorative water lighting. With responsive US-based customer support available within 24 hours, Head & Shine backs this product with helpful service. This set is ideal for anyone seeking long, waterproof LED lighting with flexible controls and vibrant color effects. Moving on to the third product, Cerni 150 feet LED rope lights. These 150-foot white LED rope lights offer a bright, durable, and flexible lighting solution for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Featuring a safe plug-in design, the UL-certified power supply includes an inbuilt fuse surge protector, adding peace of mind during use. The thick PVC jacket gives the lights an IP65 waterproof rating, making them suitable for year-round outdoor use in rain or snow, though the adapter itself should be waterproofed if used outside. One of the standout features is the cuttable and connectable design. You can cut the strip once every 0.5 meters, 1.65 feet, and the package includes 2 power supplies, allowing you to create 2 separate light runs from one strip. Flat-shaped for easy mounting, these rope lights are ideal for patios, bedrooms, restaurants, events, or holiday decorating. With a 110V operating voltage and a lifespan of over 50,000 hours, these lights offer excellent long-term value. Just note, the strip can only be cut once, so plan your layout carefully. At number 4, Alchin 100 feet outdoor LED strip lights. These IP68 rated waterproof LED strip lights are built for both indoor and outdoor use, delivering vibrant lighting that stands up to splashes, rain, and even sun exposure. Encased in a durable waterproof tube, they're ideal for patios, gardens, or parties. The 24V low-voltage power adapter ensures safe operation, with ETL certification adding an extra layer of security, great for households with kids or seniors. Controlling the lights is easy via Bluetooth using the Lotus Lantern app or the included IR remote. The app offers multiple features including music sync, microphone mode, and timers, letting you personalize lighting for any occasion. Colors pulse to your favorite tunes, making it perfect for birthdays, holidays, or outdoor celebrations. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included accessories like buckles, straps, and glue. Just remember, if you cut the strip, resealing it is essential to maintain its waterproof integrity. With responsive 24/7 customer support, these outdoor LED strip lights offer reliable performance and immersive ambience. And finally, our last pick is Charkee outdoor LED strip lights. Charkee outdoor LED strip lights, spanning 100 feet in length, are crafted with a focus on durability and versatility, featuring an IP65 waterproof silicone casing to withstand the elements. With the included 44-key IR remote, users can easily adjust the brightness and choose from a variety of colors and patterns, making these lights a perfect choice for anyone looking to enhance the atmosphere of their outdoor spaces. Designed with versatility in mind, the strip lights offer a seamless installation experience, facilitated by their ability to bend and cut, making them suitable for various outdoor settings without losing the effectiveness of the waterproof seal. They come equipped with numerous mounting clips and adhesive backing for secure placement, guaranteeing that the lights remain fixed in place regardless of the weather. The task of ensuring even lighting distribution across broad areas can prove cumbersome with lengthy strips. However, the outdoor LED strip lights rise to the occasion, offering durability and adaptability with vibrant, dependable illumination for any outdoor space. Although placement can be somewhat restricted by the need for direct visibility to the remote control, the light's effectiveness in enhancing outdoor environments is undeniable. So, what do you think about this video? If you found it helpful in making your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.